Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of staring at the same old mouse cursor and want to give your Windows 11 setup a fresh new look, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your mouse cursor in Windows from simple style tweaks to full-on custom designs. It's super easy and only takes a few clicks, so let's jump right in. First, open the Windows search bar on your taskbar and type mouse. From the list of results, click Mouse Settings. Once you're inside mouse settings, scroll down until you find mouse pointer or a mouse pointer style. Here, Windows 11 gives you 4 built-in cursor styles to choose from: the default white pointer, a black pointer with a soft shadow, a transparent black PNG style pointer, and a custom color option where you can click choose another color to pick any color you like. Perfect if you want something that matches your theme or stands out better. Below that, you'll see a slider to change the cursor size. You can make it larger or smaller depending on your preference. Just keep in mind, larger cursors can be easier to see, but smaller ones offer better precision, especially for tasks like editing or gaming. Now, if you want even more customization, here's the next step. Go back to the search bar and type mouse again, but this time select additional mouse settings. In the new window, go to the Pointers tab. Here, you can customize every cursor type, like the loading icon, text select, or resizing arrows. Click on Normal Select, then hit Browse. From there, you can pick from a list of Windows' built-in cursors, or if you've downloaded custom cursor files.cur or .ani, you can select them here too. Once you're happy with your choice, click Apply, then OK. And just like that, your new cursor style is active. And that's it. You've successfully changed your mouse cursor in Windows. Whether you went for a colorful pointer or a completely custom design, this small tweak can make your desktop feel brand new. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.